Hello friends, in this video I will show how to check a workbook for compatibility in Excel. So open Excel. Now open your document, then file, then here click on info. Here is the option inspect workbook. Before publishing this file, be aware that it contains author's name and so here is the option inspect workbook. Check for issues. Here is the option check compatibility. Check for features not supported by earlier versions on Excel. So select it. Now it will give the result and you can found issue here and also you will see the resolution for that problem. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.